Hi, I am Sandy from HADAKA, and today I want to show you LUMMI. LUMMI is our newest LED mask. It has 3 different lights: blue, red, and deep red. This beautiful mask comes with its strap that you can adjust to the size of your head. It's very easy to use. You just put it on your face and sit there and enjoy life. To change the colors of your LED light, you can press this button once, change it to red, change it to deep red. LUMMI has these 2 eye protective eye goggles. So once you put your mask on your face, it will sit gently on the eye area. Also, it has this silicone part that your chin sits perfectly there. LUMMI has 220 LED beams. It's a very powerful mask, and even if it's only this part, it irradiates a lot of light on your face and your neck. It feels very gentle on your face, so you can just put it on, watch TV, relax, or even work on your computer.